Important reminder: before you assemble your Libernovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. It is recommended that users keep the original packaging for at least 7 days after receiving the goods. Insert the main support column firmly into the base until it locks in place. If required, attach the height adjustment adapters before fitting the footpad. Align the footrest with the mounting points on the base. Press each side of the footrest until you hear it click. Tighten the knob screw to lock the footrest in place. Align the leg rest cushion with the mounting bracket and slide it into position. Push firmly until you hear it click and lock in place. Press down to check stability. Your footrest is ready to use. If you don't need extra height, you can remove the height adapters. Unscrew the knob to release the footrest pad. Remove both height adapters. Place the pad back on. Align it and tighten the knob to secure. Your footrest is ready to use.